y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I put on my frontal wigs. It's completely glueless. I take it off every night, and this takes me about 15 minutes to do in the morning, so you do need a little time. But yeah, let's get into the tutorial. Let's go over what you'll need. Of course, you'll need your wig. You're going to also need your holding spray. I use the Got To Be Glued spray. Aussie Extreme Hold works really good as well. For styling, I use this generic Sebastian Shaper spray hold, and it's optional just depending on how you're going to style your hair. You're going to need your baby hair brush and a rat tail comb. You're going to need a satin or silk scarf, or a cotton scarf will work. We're just going to tie the hairline down. You're going to need some clips, and you're going to need your foundation. Now I'm going to take that foundation and apply it to the hairline of the wig, and I also put it on my cap just to make sure that everything is flesh tone, and it will make sure that your wig looks really, really natural. You do not have to do this every day. I do it probably every time I shampoo my wigs or when I change into a new cap underneath the wig. So it's not every day, but I did want to make a note of that. I just adjusted the straps in the back of my wig, and I'm going to put it on my head. This is the Chloe unit from my wig company, Glam by Nita Wigs. There will be a link below if you're interested. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and put her on, and I'm just adjusting her to make sure, the hairline is lined up where it needs to be. Next, we're going to go ahead and pin the sideburns out of the way so that we can go ahead and work on that hairline. Now I'm going to use the Got To Be Glued Free spray, and again, if you don't like this or if you're allergic or whatever, the Aussie Extreme Hold works just as well. I like to spray it on my hands and then pat it on my hairline. I find that it's a lot less messy and it's not as cold. If you ever use that hairspray, you know that it's like super cold, and it may bother some people. It's just messy to me, so I like to spray it on my hands and then apply it to my hairline. Let me also say that frontals typically sit in front of your hairline, not on your hairline. The lace sitting on your bare scalp is what gives that realistic scalp illusion. A lot of times when you sit a frontal on your hairline, it looks a bit odd because your hairline is blending with the lace and all of that, and it just looks a little odd. So for frontals, you really need a bit of forehead space because technically you really want to sit it like a centimeter in front of your hairline. So now you're going to go ahead and see me pulling the wig down. And here I'm pulling the wig down into place where I want it to be. And I'm just going to comb those hairs out of the way because I don't want it to stick and lay flat where I don't want it to be. So I'm just going to comb them back and go ahead and stick the frontal down to that spray, put it where I want it to be. And then I'm going to take the Got To Be Glued spray again, and I'm going to spray it on top of the lace this time, and then just take a blow dryer on cool and blow dry it until it's dry, which doesn't take but like 30 seconds. It dries super quick. And when I spray the spray on top, I usually do this part in sections. So I'm going to start over there. I'm not being super particular on that side because nobody will see it. I really don't care. I just want it to be stuck so if the wind blows or whatever, my lace is not flapping, in the breeze. So that part I'm not too worried about. I just want that lace to lay down. And again, working in sections, so I'm just going to go over to the next area, spray that free spray on top, comb the lace and the hair in the direction I want it to lay, and then I'm going to use the blow dryer on cool and use the end of that comb just to kind of press it down into the skin and go ahead and let it dry. Again, it dries really fast, takes about 30 seconds, and you're done. keep in mind, again, you'll see once I spray an area, I take my comb or the end of a metal tail, I hold the hair the way I want it to lay, and then I do the blow dryer on cool, because once that blow dryer cools that holding spray, it sticks. Like, I mean, it's not permanent, it's not glue for real, but it really does lay. So you want to go ahead and lay the hair in the direction that you want it to stay before you hit it with that cool blow dryer. Again, you see me pressing that side area down, again the direction I want it to lay with that cool blow dryer, and it just makes, you know, everything lay seamlessly. And I mean, if you're into baby hairs, you can do that too. I'm not a big baby hair fan, so I didn't lay any, but I'm just molding that hairline in the direction that I want it to lay. Now you're going to tie the hairline flat with a scarf and just let it dry. I normally do this and then I'll put on my makeup or put my clothes on or get Jada ready or whatever I need to do. Right now I'm actually going to go ahead and curl the wig for you guys, just to show you guys how I get these curls. But normally I already have my wig styled. I put them on mannequin head so the curls stay pretty well. But this time, girl, that wig was laying on the couch and she had been through some things. So we're going to go in here and just put some loose curls in there. And you're going to see my key to loose voluminous curls is just to curl them in different directions. So I'll curl one to the left, one to the right. I'll curl one up, one down, because I want it to be messy and I don't want it to be, you know, like super uniform. So curling in, you know, all kind of different directions kind of gives me that messy look that I like. And when I get to the top of my hair, I go ahead and curl upwards so that I get that volume in my bang that I like. And yeah. And now for the final reveal. At this point, girl, your hairline should be laid. Check me out, check me out. So this is what it's looking like after I've tied it flat, and that took all of 10 minutes tops, y'all. It didn't take long at all. That spray dries pretty quickly, and I'm just gonna go in here and fluff out my curls, situate my bang the way I like it, and we're about done. And here I am just kind of laying that edge the way I like for it to lay. Like I said, I'm not really big on baby hair, but I do kind of like for that area to lay a particular way. So I'm just kind of getting it how I want it. And I did use some of that freeze spray. I put some on my hand and then I just kind of swooshed the hair the way I liked it right there. And we're all done. This is how she looks. I got super up close and personal for y'all. And yeah, like I said, this takes me about 15 minutes to do in the morning. So if you have some time to do it, you can lay and slay your hairline every day. And when I get home, honey, the wig comes off. It's not permanent, but it's permanent enough to have me feeling comfortable through the day with my frontal being glueless. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you guys would like to see. And please let me know if this was helpful for you guys. see you in the next one.